Right, listen up. You think you can't conquer an island in a day? Bloody nonsense. Today we're going to smash it. We're going to build your perfect hero itinerary for Barbados. This isn't complicated, high-end nonsense that leaves you stressed and broke. This is a plan, a proper beautiful plan. It's simple, it's effective. It will give you a real taste of this stunning island, from the sand between your toes to the incredible food on your plate. Forget faffing about. Forget getting lost. Follow this and you'll have a day that's absolutely brilliant. It's your day, your adventure. We'll make it perfect. First things first, get up early. The morning sun in Barbados is a gift. You don't want to waste it. Head straight to the west coast. Picture perfect beaches, the ones on postcards. Calm Caribbean Sea, water crystal clear, impossibly blue. Paynes Bay, Mullins Beach, slap on sun cream. Seriously, the sun is no joke. Grab your towel, grab a bottle of water, breathe it all in. Sand like powdered sugar under your feet. Walk to the water's edge and let gentle waves wash your ankles. Horizon where sky melts into sea. Your moment of peace. Clean air and a soft breeze. The lapping water beats any meditation app. Perfect place to swim. Warm, inviting water, gentle slope. Safe for kids and your grandparents. Float and let the sun warm your face. Pure, simple bliss. Don't sit like a lump, take a walk. Stroll reveals treasures, delicate seashells, beautifully worn sea glass. Take envy-inducing photos. The light is perfect. Tropical birds in the trees. Quiet, magical time before beaches get busy. Sets the tone for the day. Feeling peckish? Find a beachside cafe. Simple shacks with million-dollar views. Order fresh fruit, pineapple, mango, sweet, juicy, bursting with flavor. Or toast with local jam, fresh juice or a coffee. Light breakfast plus that blue sea is one of life's great pleasures. Fresh ingredients, world-class view. Now you're relaxed, refueled, ready for the next step. Right, you've had your moment of zen. If you're itching for action, it's time to get your face in the water. The West Coast is fantastic for snorkeling, especially for beginners. The calm sea lets you just float and watch the world beneath you. Head to Folkestone Marine Park or find rocks along the shore. You don't have to go far. Shoals of tiny silver fish dart around you. A brightly colored parrotfish nibbles coral. It's another universe just feet from the beach. No gear? Don't worry. Rent on the beach. Or better, book a short boat trip with a local guide. They know the water like the back of their hand. They'll take you where you're almost guaranteed to see sea turtles. Swimming alongside these gentle, ancient creatures is unforgettable, graceful and majestic. Guides keep you and the turtles safe. It's a small investment for massive memories. Just do it. If underwater isn't your thing, explore the coastline on foot. Walk from one bay to the next. Discover hidden coves, luxury villas peeking through trees, and fishing boats pulled up on sand. See how life is lived along the coast. Say hello to fishermen mending nets. They're often happy to chat and share a story. This is how you feel a place, by connecting. Remember to keep it simple. Maybe find a perfect palm, lay your towel in its shade, read a book. The morning is for embracing the calm, the quiet, and the coast's natural beauty. Whether you're with turtles or just listening to waves, you've banked a perfect start. You're refreshed, energized, and ready for what's next. A proper taste of Barbados. You've worked up an appetite. It's midday. Time to eat. And I mean eat. Forget fancy restaurants for lunch. We're going local. We're going authentic. Your mission: find a fish cutter. Fresh salt bread stuffed with perfectly fried flying fish. A bit of lettuce. A splash of Bajan pepper sauce. Find a rum shop or a beach shack with locals in line. That's your sign. That's where the magic is. Cheap, real island flavor. Once you've got your fish cutter, sit, eat, soak in the atmosphere. Rum shops are social clubs. Chatting, laughing, arguing cricket. Don't be shy. Order a Banks beer or a fresh fruit punch and listen to the rhythm of Bajan life. Feeling adventurous? Go for a plate lunch. Fried flying fish with cuckoo and the legendary macaroni pie. Baked, gooey, irresistible. Let's talk rum. Barbados is the birthplace of rum. Most rum shops will let you taste the local spirit. Mount Gay up close. Drink it neat or as a rum punch, but be careful, it's strong. Not drinking, ask for Morby, or grab a fresh coconut from a roadside vendor, machete chop. This midday meal is more than fuel, it's culture. Look for small family-run places. Ask what's good today. Be open, be curious, be hungry. Food made with pride and love. You can taste it. Full belly, happy heart, ready for the afternoon. Belly full, spirits high. Time for a change of pace. We're heading to Bridgetown, the capital city. This isn't just an administrative center. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, pulsing with stories. As you walk the streets, you're walking through history. Look at the architecture. Colorful colonial buildings, intricate balconies, jalousie windows. A beautiful, chaotic mix of old and new. Just wander and let the city reveal itself. Start near the Chamberlain Bridge and Independence Arch, the historic heart of the city. See the Parliament buildings, stunning neo-Gothic like a fairy tale. Stand and absorb the history. Once a major British Empire port, you can feel the past. If you're a history buff, pop into the Barbados Museum and Historical Society, in a former military prison, telling the island's complex story. Don't just stick to main attractions, the charms in the side streets. Swan Street buzzes, clothes, crafts, fresh produce, loud, crowded, brilliant. This is where Bajans shop. Maybe a bustling city isn't your vibe. Fine, I've got a brilliant alternative. Let's flip the script to the East Coast. If the West is a calm lullaby, the East is a rock and roll anthem. Wild Atlantic crashes against the island, raw, dramatic, breathtaking. The waves are huge, the cliffs rugged, the air salty spray. Your destination is Bathsheba. Famous rock formations, giant prehistoric mushrooms in the surf, a photographer's dream. Find a spot at the Roundhouse or nearby restaurants. Grab a drink and watch the show. The ocean's power is mesmerizing, not a swimming beach. Currents are dangerous. This is for watching and feeling nature's power. Wear proper shoes, ground's uneven. Walk the coastline, feel the wind, hear the deafening, exhilarating crash. You feel small in nature's grandeur, humbling and invigorating. Surfers ride soup bowls, powerful waves. Experiencing both coasts shows the island's dual personality and surprising diversity. The day is winding down, the heat is softening. Now for one of the best free shows on earth, a Barbadian sunset, and trust me, it's a stunner. Head for a great view and the sun sinks directly into the sea, colors out of this world. A sky on fire, orange, deep pink, fiery red, soft purples, blues. Give it your full attention, not the time to scroll. Pick your spot. A lively beach bar like Blakey's on the boardwalk, or a quiet patch of sand. People gather daily, a ritual, tourists, locals, all just watching the sky. A collective calm and wonder. This is golden hour for photos. Soft, warm, incredibly flattering. Snap the sky, palm silhouettes, fishing boats bobbing. Capture it, then live in it. Beauty isn't just what you see, it's how you feel. Reflect on your day, morning swim, afternoon adventure, all leading to this peaceful finale. The show continues after the sun dips. Stick around. The afterglow can stun for 20 minutes. Colors shift, stars appear, air cools, tree frogs sing, lights twinkle. The tropics' day-to-night transition is pure magic. The perfect soul-soothing end to the daylight hours. Simple, free, unforgettable. The sun has set, but your day isn't over. Time to dive into the flavors and sounds of a Bajan night. For dinner, you've got a choice. Sit down at a local restaurant, fresh grilled fish, a piece of marlin or dolphin fish, the mahi-mahi, with a squeeze of lime. Or a full Bajan platter, flying fish, macaroni pie, sweet plantain, peas and rice, savory, sweet, spicy, Caribbean comfort. Prefer buzz? Find a street hub, Oyston's Fish Fry, St. Lawrence Gap restaurants and stalls. Vendors grill chicken and fish over open flames. The smell is incredible. Fun, affordable, and perfect for mingling. Don't forget dessert, sweet potato pone, sugar cake, the perfect sweet finish. After dinner, music. Barbados has rich heritage, calypso and soca. Small bars and clubs, especially in the Gap, with live bands. The music is infectious, designed to make you move. Don't be shy. Tap your foot, nod your head, let the rhythm take you. Friendly, inclusive. People come to dance and celebrate life. Or choose quiet, a beach walk under stars. Clear skies, new constellations, waves, soothing rhythm, cool, soft air. Pure peace to cap a brilliant day. Last bit of advice, pay attention. The sun is a beast. Wear high SPF sun cream and reapply. Wear a hat. Stay hydrated. Drink tons of water. Wear light, breathable clothing. You'll be more comfortable and look less like a lost tourist. Common sense. Money and getting around. Many places take cards, some don't. Carry cash, Barbados dollars. Use licensed taxis. Your hotel can recommend trusted services or look for official ranks. If booking tours, choose reputable companies. Use licensed guides. They know the island and safety and deliver a better experience. Don't cut corners. Respect matters. Greet people. Good morning, good afternoon. Bahans are friendly and value politeness. Be a good guest. Keep beaches clean, take your rubbish. When snorkeling, don't touch coral. It's living and fragile. Look, don't touch. Use reef-safe sun cream if you can. Leave this place as beautiful as you found it. So there you have it, your hero itinerary. Calm morning swim, mind-blowing local food, history and nature, perfect sunset, music and stars. A true taste of what makes Barbados special. It's not about rushing everything, it's about the best things. Deeply. Book the ticket, pack your bag, go have your perfect day in Barbados.